Hey my loves, it's your girl Vintinelli, and today I wanted to have a chat with you guys about being a phenomenal woman. To me, a phenomenal woman is a woman who can withstand the storm. A woman that can withstand anything, no matter what circumstances life throws at her. A woman that can deal with anything and still show so much love. That's the definition of a phenomenal woman to me. As for who I consider a phenomenal woman, there are several phenomenal women in my life, and I feel honored to say that. It's very typical to say, but I genuinely see my mother as a phenomenal woman. I have seen her go through so much on her own. I don't need to see any more for me to know that she's a phenomenal woman. She did everything in her power to provide for me. I never ever lacked, ever. She granted me my heart's desires. As a child growing up, that's all you could ever want. The times where she didn't, there was a greater purpose behind it, and today I thank her for it. So my mom, my aunties, and I have some amazing friends that I would definitely consider as phenomenal women. My advice in terms of how to be confident in relationships, how to boost up your self-esteem, is to really take some time out and be alone, even if you're with someone. I feel like a lot of times when people are in relations, it's very lovey-dovey, it's very honeymoon period, everything goes fantastic, and in that moment of time you can kind of get lost where you forget who you are because you're so like in love with the other person. It becomes all about them, and I do think you need to keep that in a relationship, but there needs to be balanced. I don't think it's healthy for you to put that person on a pedestal and lift that person way up to the sky. It's not healthy. Sometimes I feel like you need to take a step back and remember that you are an individual that's in a relationship. Yes, you can consider yourself as one. Even when you're married, you become one. You also need to remember the importance of working on self, because at some point you're going to be alone, so you're going to have to deal with yourself. Take some time out, still do things on your own. Find out what you like, enjoy yourself, like make you happy. Study yourself. What makes you unhappy? Why does it make you unhappy? I feel like things like that, when you spend time doing these things, it will naturally boost up your confidence, because then you learn to love yourself. You only willingly study something if you have a passion for it, if you love it. And if you study yourself and really get into your heart and really get into your mind and see where you're at, how you're feeling, you will grow to love yourself. You would really fall in love with yourself, and that would naturally boost your confidence. And that's my advice to people that are in relationships, and even with friendships as well. You need to be confident in your friendship. You know, don't always be the person with a low self-esteem. Like at some point, it's okay to have low self-esteem, but at some point you can't rely on your friends to tell you to cheer up and you're better. No, like I do believe that after hearing that so many times, you need to again take a step back and really spend some time with yourself and tell yourself that you are enough and you are everything that you need to be. So yeah, that's my advice to anyone that is about to embark on a new relationship, whether that be intimately with someone or friendship with family and friends. Love you guys, and see you next time. Bye. Mwah.